Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock, price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block, riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another week of live trading. Today is Monday, March 17th. My name is Mo G. I'm here with TWA Indicators. We got a little new look today, trying to update our game a little bit. Let's check out today's pre-market analysis. So, you can see here, this is the TWA market structure. We just did an awesome job bouncing off support. We just hit my one of my key significant levels here, and we are pushing back down. However, if we do stay in this area and break it, I do expect price to hit the high of day at around 20,000 today. That seems like a logical spot for price to go. Now let's look at this trigger chart here. You can see here we have the 4-hour forecaster on. I just did a video on this, so if you want to check out that video, it's in the channel about the 4-hour forecaster. You can see here we hit right into this super expensive box, and then the trigger is matched. And if you took a short, you got a couple points on the way down. However, if we look at the dashboard, you can see right now we are looking very bullish. So this is a big, nice, healthy pullback. Let's see how far New York is going to pull it down before it wants to make another leg up. And then this is the chart that you're going to be seeing today, most of the day. This is my actual trading chart. So on this side, that is my trigger. I have the pinpoint system here with some volume. I like the dashboard, and then also always have the money zone. This is a 30-second time frame, money zone, and the 4-hour forecaster. So it gives me context of what's is cheap price. Is price cheap, expensive, things like that. On this side, this is my directional chart. As you can see, the background is the IVD. This, and then that's the candle coloring you see. You see down here this bar, that's the TPO. That's all. This is probability for direction. Up here, this bar here, this is the strict candles. And then when everything is matching, it's a good opportunity to go green, as you can see here. Would have been a nice long earlier in the day. Right now, we have some weakness, but we're still very bullish. And let's see how the rest of the day goes. And I think we have Cloud on the line. Good morning, Cloud.
Good morning, you guys.
All right. So we are ready. So now you could see did a little updates. We got the chat up on the screen. So your questions and comments will be live on the screen here. And now we are waiting for the open. We got 3 minutes till the open. Price is pushing down, not unexpected. Get my trading stuff on. That's there. Good. One minute until open. And these two lines you see on here, let me just make the other one a little bit thicker so you can see it. So you can see the yellow line is the 15-second evidence line, and the green and red is the 30-second. I use those. You can use those as guides for entrance and exits. And we are open. Okay, let's see which way price wants to push. Let's see if New York wants to be nice to us and actually be clean this week. But like the past week, London had a huge push up, so we are super expensive. Hopefully this is a nice pullback. Bullish, 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 bullish. Range. Bullish, bullish. Okay. Gotta prove it.
I like longs above 720.
Yeah. I'm about to join you in a long. Let's see. I'm in a long. Let's see if I can get to my TP1. Not yet. Yeah, it's really fighting right here. It's a little late on my entry. Alright, TP1's hit. Runners are running. Let's take off some risk. Put this up to here. Alright. I'm in long at the open. Let's see how many points I can get out of this. Very bullish signs here. I like. ATR's 14. I like that. Let's see if we need to stay above here for me to be happy. Very good, very good. Thank you, price. All right, let's see if it wants to break through this level here. Might have been a nice pullback that it was looking for. This is where we rejected last time. Let's see if price can, if it was pulled back far enough to actually have enough momentum for it. Evans lines are still bullish, so hopefully it can keep me in this trade. This is a battleground right here. Let's see. Evans lines are still bullish. I like it. I know it's super expensive here. After the high of London. Okay. Everything's good. All right, so we're breaking into now the super expensive box. Let's see if we get a hard rejection again, or if we can stay around there till the new 4-hour candle.
We should be able to explode past this London high. We should be able to explode past it.
Trade has touched 50 points so far. Go. Okay, Evans lines are still bullish. I have the 15-second and 30-second on my screen. The 30-second is the one I'm looking at most for my exits. That's the green one. You can see though the background is all green. strict candles, which is this bar up top, is green. TPOs now click green. That's
I
very
have a
good.
TP at 800.
Okay, there we go.
One of my
All right.
trims at 800.
I'm keeping my last TP at 100 points. That's 819. I was a little late on the entry, but so far so good. A new high right here. There we go. Let me just move this down so you guys can see what price is doing. There we go. There we go. Let's see if we can get that 100 points going on. We are pushing. Let's see. Evans lines are still bullish, which is very good.
That's one of my TPs right there, 800.
Okay, we got to break out X. Let's see if it can stay here. If it goes to a
I
fake
wouldn't be
out.
surprised if we came back down to the 780s or 760 area.
Oh, that would be great if we came back down to 760. That would confirm for me longs all day. Okay, let's see. We got a little weakness here. Let's see. How are my evidence lines doing? They're still bullish, which is good. There we go. Come on, give me my 100. I want to start the week off with a 100-point trade. Let's go. So close. I was literally 1 point away. Let's see. Let's see how much it wants to get back before. Here we go. Come on. There it is. There it is. 100 points. Right off the open. Right off the open. 100-point long. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this beautiful setup here. You saw it here. We could not get, it went right back to the money zone. It touched right off. You had your timing mechanism here and here. You had the buy signs. If you want even more confirmation, the evidence lines even changed. And that's 100 points right off the bat. 100 points. Now, if I want to trade again, I have to wait for price to pull back before I would enter again.
I have another TP at 846, 5 markers off the table.
That's 100 points right there. Nice. Nice. No need to be greedy. Yeah, we're flying today. We're definitely flying today.
All right, TP got hit. I got 10 micros left on the table. I want to see 20,000.
We are at the top of the super expensive box. I'm not doing any other entries until the new 4 hour. No need. Let's see what we're looking like here. That's beautiful. Look at how nicely that's. This is a textbook DC setup right here. You had the initial, you had the pullback, and then you had the run.
Is that a DC?
Yeah, this is DC's chart here. This is what he like, except for the pinpoint candle coloring. But other than that, this is his setup. He loves to wait for it to come back to the money zones. That's the pullback, and then he would take it from there. I would imagine he took that long. And we have so much room on top, like above us. We can come back to the 800s and hopefully see if we can get another leg. But we will see. We will see. NQ's, tricky. Yeah, we can. If we can stay above here, I think we can definitely get above the 20,000. Yeah, we're super bullish. That's good. Good to see. Good to see. You can just see on the directional chart here, everything's still green. This is strict candles. That means you can use those as a filter to say, okay, even if price pulls back, I would not short anything at all. I would just wait for the pullback to enter back in. TPO is green, background's green. Again, the coloring for the IVD is green. You have dashboard green, 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 green. Don't worry about the middle one that always says short. It never changes. And I updated my color scheme on the pinpoint trigger. So when you see the blue dot on the bottom, that's bullish. If you see yellow dots on top, that's bearish. Just a way I could differentiate. Because I also use the Gabby buttons. So I wanted a little easier way to tell between the two. Pull back. I want to see if I can. What time is it? It's 9:45.
That was a perfect trim up there at the 86 or 85 I'm sorry, 845 level. I think it was 845 or 846 level that I had up there. And everybody called me crazy for swinging longs until Monday.
Let's go. I just scalped a little short there. Nice.
And everyone called me crazy.
Nice little scalp for short. I mean, I just used the triggers. You got the red. This is a red Gabby button here in the super expensive box. Timing 1, 2, 3. I just wanted 10 points. Nice scalp. Alright, this is the spot. This is the spot. I think price will hold.
Did y'all hear about that recent drowning at Lake Lanier that happened in Labor Day weekend? So apparently this dude was swimming from the shore back to his boat and he went under the water and never came back out again. I just don't understand why people still continuously get in that lake, bro. Did you know that there have been over 700 deaths at Lake Lanier and over 200 of those have happened since 1994? So beautiful.
Okay, there was that pullback. There's that pullback that I was talking about. That's what you want to see for the longs. That's exactly what you want to see. Nice.
But when I took him to the hospital,
Crash out, crash out, crash out, crash.
I don't want to get flagged. All right, so let's see. If we're looking at the timing, you can see how the timing is saying, you know, it's good entry timing for long. However, the pinpoints still have those circles on top. So I wouldn't want to wait for this to be a blue circles on the bottom, or even better, gappy buttons on the bottom. What's price doing right now? All right, we got the green, but we're super expensive right here. I don't want to risk that. How long will we wait? 7 minutes.
If we can clear this New York higher, and then we should be able to see 20,000, or at least 900. But I'll be back. I'm still in this trade.
Mm-hmm. Timing's off. You can see the timing's off here. You see how the surge clicked first, and then the pullback clicked, and then all of a sudden the evidence lines didn't click till later, and we're right up against this little money zone here. That means just wait for the new 4 hour. That means for me to wait for the new 4 hour. I am bullish. I just want new context to see if I can find another entry long. So I've taken 2 trades. The 100-point long, I scalped. I don't know how many points this was. 820 to 7. About 50-point scalp. Scalp short just because of where we were in context. You know, I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I have 5 things that are telling me, giving me bullish statements. So, gotta wait for new context to agree. When the context agrees with the statements, that's a possibility for more points to have today. See what's the timing. See, the timing's off. That's off, so I'm gonna wait for all of that to match back up again. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions on my chart, on the directional chart. So this side is directional, this side is trigger. This chart here is just a trigger chart. This is a nice and simple chart to use to trade. This one here is using the market structure. You can see where support is, where resistance is, and right now where we are trying to establish something new. And let's see what the new 4 hour will give us. We only got about 2 minutes, a minute and a half. Yeah, so while we're waiting for that, I've created a new item for you guys. It's a newsletter where I give you my game plan, the levels I use in my game plan, and the strategy of how I use it, when how I look long, how I look short. Then I also in there you have, if you don't have indicator access, there's a code there in the link to get indicator access. And you'll also get the link to the news of the week provided by Cloud. So this way you'll be well informed of what's going on that day, and have some levels, have a game plan. And hold on, I'm just looking at the chart here. So this way you have an idea, and then you also, you come here to look at how the indicators are working live and in person. And then also on the channel, I'm gonna have actually I made my first video yesterday of the indicators, how they're used, and how I use them, and how they've changed my trading personally. So every indicator that's in TWA won't be on it because I don't use everyone. Only the ones that I use that I'm successful with is the ones that I'm going to be explaining. Now, Fridays on the Discord will be live on Discords. This is where you could chat with lead traders live. And let's see. So you see now we have a new 4 hour. We have new context. I can see price pushing down a tad before it comes back up. It can get to this 45. Yeah, I think it could tap that gray cheap box and then look to head back up. That's going to be the key, because right now it's coming back into the London session, which is why you're seeing this huge push right now. Here we go. Here's the moment of truth. That is a huge push down. That basically is another 50 some odd point drop. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see here. See if the bulls can protect this area. Can the bulls protect this area, or will the bears push it all the way back down to where it was at the open? What do you think? What does everybody think? Everybody watching, don't forget to hit that like button. And let me know in the comments what you think. You think the Bulls will hold this area, or will the Bears push it back down? Also, let me know, how many people took trades. Who's making money right now? That's what this game's about. Yeah, looks like, see, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see if the timing and everything wants to match up for us. I'm still bullish. I don't even care about this push down. Unless we can't get above this 745 area. Then that's a different story. Let's see here. What's happening here? Where's my let's put some of this on. Let's see. Pushing back down. Fighting here. Timing wise, there's no timing for any longs if you're looking that way. Oh, we got chopped though. See the yellow TPO here at the bottom? That means we have chop. Let's see if that'll stick around or go away. Okay, let's see. We got a little entry on the chop here. Let me see what's the DOM looking like. We got some bearish weakness showing. Let's see if timing wants to agree. Looks like all the pressure is coming from the Bears right now, so once they get tired, you'll probably see price do a little pop. See how nicely the timing mechanism here at the bottom of the screen can help you not, help you with any itchy fingers. It's going up. That's very, very bearish right there. Okay, let's go. Let's see if I can get this. All right, I think. There we go. Okay. I think that's good for right now. Let's see what's going on here. All right, let me go check on this chat. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. All right, so let me know. Did anybody take the long in during the open? Are you looking long now? What do you need to see to enter? You can see here I have on the left side, it was a long night. When your kids are sick and they can't sleep, you can't sleep. So, all right. So, this is the whatchamacallit, the directional, and this one here is the trigger. Right now, I'm trading on a what is this called again? What is this called? Eval, because I'm still waiting for my live. See if what we can get on this eval today. Here, hit high. See. See if I can hit this.
Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know, green and red like disco flow.
Oh, 50 bucks away from passing this. Right? Let me see. Yep. You know, I'm good here. I'll get this tomorrow. Right? That's 45. That's 50. Yeah, that'll be take me over. Very bullish today. Very bullish today. Excuse me. Let's see. All right. What's the timer look like? Timer's not there for it, so we gotta wait. Everything's still green. No weakness. We see we are green on TPOs. We're still 25. Right now, we're looking like we found our little resting stop. Nope, that one's done. Okay, let's end that on a good note today. See what's going on in the chat. All right, so as you can see, I'll do a little recap. Let's go here. Look at it this way. You can see here, longs, longs were the play. This is back in London. This was at the Open. This was a beautiful long here. I caught this one for 100 points. If you missed it, you got a nice scalp here. From the super expensive box to the significant level that I have on the screen here. And then this was another long right here, right off the cheap box. You had the timing match and it went. You had, here's entry number 2, or you could just stay in, put your stops here and see if you could ride this as far as it can go. However, I do think in the afternoon price will be heading down, possibly back to this cheap area. So I think we're gonna see a lot of like what we're seeing now. Up, back down, up, back down. So right now, I would look on the long side, just because see how we're dipping back and then staying above, and we're staying above here. I would look on the long side to go up, and I have, excuse me, my high a day is around where the super expensive box is. So if we can get there, we would have touched the high a day that I have, and then also it is very close to where this resistance level is on the TWA market structure. Put that back up there. Yeah, I stopped trading because I could feel myself trying to really get past that eval today, but there's no rush. There's no rush. I just get it tomorrow. I can feel myself making, starting to think of dumb decisions. So I decided to just X out of it. No need to put myself in foolish mindset. All right, so I'm gonna check, make sure everything's good at the house. I'm gonna leave the charts up so you guys can see it, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I gotta make sure everything was all right in the house. So it was a very, I would have to say today, I'm very happy with the trading I did today. Reason being is I stayed very, very, very true to my process. And I'll go back to the trade I took for 100 points. It was right here. It was this one. What was my timing? Right here. And then I have these two lines. So the green line is the 30-second evidence line. The blue line is the 15-second evidence line. The blue line is for entries. The green to red is you could use it as exit sign. All right. So I had a TP at 100 points. I hit it around here. I think it was around here. Then I took this scalp short. Why? Very simple in my eyes. I used the context from the 4-hour forecaster. Super expensive. Price was so expensive. It needed to come down. It needed to pull back after such a big run up, in my opinion. And then the timing matched, which was here. I took that short, and then I took another long. Get my marker out. Took another long here. Right there. I took that long. Scalped that for some points. And that was it. Because I felt myself trying to force trades to pass an eval. I'm not going to do that to myself anymore. So I X'd out. And now you can see price is starting to push back down. Like I said before, I could see price getting all the way to here. This area. Right where we are. Now this will be telling. If we can stay inside this cheap box, that's very bullish. To get back to here, possibly above. If not, then it can drop down to where we were in the beginning. and then hit this area here, which is, I mean, if we go back to the beginning of London, which, why is this not on the chart? Let me just make sure it's on the chart here. One second. Global. There. See? So here. I can see it's reaching back to here. And then you got a sell sign. I can definitely see it. I can get back to here. Then it'll stick around here. And then probably try to kick back up here. So that's a 200-point drop. And a little more. So it's possible. But not for me. I'd rather trade again tomorrow. Take my time with it. Let's see what's going on with my last time I talked to him. Okay, so it's 10:30. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch a chart just chop away here. But I will give you some insight on what I think will happen throughout the day. So, you see how we skyrocketed up here, made a new high, which this means a new high, new structure high. And then we dipped back down. So I can see it's coming back down, figuring out a stopping point, which is probably around where we are now. And if it stays above where we are now, that's very bullish, and it could possibly get back above this area. If it breaks below this, which if I put on here, if it breaks below this cheap box and stays here, that's a bearish sign to me. We could possibly be heading back to this level here, and around 9560 area, and then you can see already it's starting to change. See the dashboard's changing here. So all right, let's count it. We've got 1, 2 bearish statements. That's this. We have this that went from long to ranging, which means we can be chopping around here pretty soon. Let's go here. Look at that. We got the green IVD turning off. As this color means bullish weakness. We got the candles turning off. We got the TPO turning off. So you see how they're starting to stack up in bearish signs, right? And then you have, in context, we're cheap. So either if the bulls don't step in and push this back up to here, we can see further move down to as low as probably like in the 5, right here, the 5 here to the 540s. It's possible. You know, this is probability, right? It's a probability game. So it's all possible. If it's definite, if I knew that, I would load up on contracts and be in it right now. However, this is probability. And if I was gonna take a short, it would have been here. This is the better entry spot up here, or stayed in this one the whole time, but I didn't want to. I scalped. That's what I wanted to do. I got my long runner on this one, so I'm happy for today. So this is the 30 second. You see how it's flipping back and forth here? I would predict we're going to be rangy, right? So we're going to find a place, we're going to shoot up again, and then find a place. I think that's what it's going to be like for the rest of the day. I don't think there's any news later today, so that just means participation will be where it is. And that means I'm done for the day. So let's recap, right? I traded a what is that called? I traded my eval today. I'm tired. I didn't sleep all night, so I traded eval today. I think I caught a 100, so almost like $1,000 for that eval. What does that mean? That just means I saw the market right. That means context was right, direction was right, and I hit the trade in the beginning. I scalped, got a little bit of everything under my belt today, and I feel good. I feel good that I followed the plan, I followed the process, and that I really didn't force anything. When I felt myself trying to force, I kind of, took myself out of it, which is good. Now you see, like right now, price is pushing down. So that's, you can see it right there on the screen. Price is starting to push down. It happens. It'll push down. It'll come back up. That's what they do. But all right. So with that, thank you so much for being on the live today. I appreciate everybody here. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you get value out of this. Always remember, please trade what's on your chart. And these indicators really help with context and everything. They help with timing and context. You put those two together, it's a game changer. And you're going to see videos come out on this channel, the TWA Mindset Day Trader, about the different indicators that I use, that I like, that help me see the market, read the market. And in case you didn't know, I'm coming from novice to confident trader. That's where I am now. And it's only onward and up from there. And everybody, thank you so much again. And I hope you all have a great trading day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.
I just got back. All right, you guys. See you guys tomorrow. That first trade of the day, 100-point trade. Great trade. Let's hit it hard tomorrow again. Sorry, I've been dealing with some business stuff. Hopefully, I'll have more time to give more play-by-play on my entries. But if everyone who took that trade off 720, congratulations. I'm happy for you guys. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, everybody. Later.